the master of bad angles this month, which is fine by me, just a little inconvenient when it comes to watching the videos instead of just filming the videos, but I've been a little bit lazy, so it's okay. Britt and I just finished watching The Curse of the Black Pearl. Surprising thing, you may not know, Pirates of the Caribbean, I've only ever seen the films all the way through once. So this was our second time watching this one, and I enjoyed it a lot more this time, which isn't surprising. I'm a lot older now than I was then. So yeah. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and I'm taking my first CLEP test. I think I told you. It would have been a couple weeks ago, I think. I have 2 CLEP tests to take, and if I can pass them, then I get credit for those 2 courses, which are the last 2 required courses before I can graduate with an associate's degree. So fingers crossed. It's one of those things. The majority of my life is actually this way, where I set up something. It's like, okay, if this happens, then this is supposed to happen. If this doesn't happen, then I'm obviously supposed to take another course of action. So if I pass these exams, then I will, and it's a lot to explain on camera, but it's sort of setting it up for fate or God or like whatever you want to call it, to be like, okay, if this is supposed to happen, then I'm going to give it to you and let it happen, and if it's not, then we'll figure it out later. Anyway, we leave at 9 a.m. for that, so I'm going to wrap up my bullet journal and get some sleep. Yeah. Dance.